Hey everybody, how you doing? This is Jerry. It's my son Jake.
The one and only.
Your one and only. Body by Jake, right? We're about to do an unboxing of the Live Good products that I got. We're going to tell you a little bit about them, tell you how to get a hold of your own products, and
how they help you.
How they help you in your health journey. So from here, I'm going to let Jake take over, and he's going to pull the products out of the box. We're going to discuss them, and we're going to display them.
All right. So first up, we have Live Good complete plant-based protein vanilla flavored.
Nice. What does it do?
So basically,
how much protein does it have in it? How many grams?
I think 26.
26 grams per serving?
That's cool. Oh no, that's vitamin and minerals. 20 grams of protein per serving.
20 grams of protein per serving.
That's a lot of grams.
It is. Most people can't digest more than, depending on how much you work out, but usually can't digest more than 20 grams per hour.
Yeah.
So that's a good supplement. There you go. What's next?
Next up is Live Good Super Reds.
Okay, great. Now back to working out. If you're working out, that's a great nitrous oxide. What does it say underneath the Super Reds?
It says cardiovascular health, circulation, sexual health.
Ooh.
I might need some of this. Brain and cognitive function. My bad. Is it cognito?
No,
no, that's something.
Cognitive.
Oh,
cognitive.
I knew that.
I'm going to get a hold of your teacher, man.
No.
All right, what's next?
Live Good Super Greens.
All right, tell us, what does it say underneath it?
So it says immune protection, energy and recovery, stress support, digestive health.
Oh, yeah, it'll help clean out the old tubes. Give you all your vitamins and minerals that most greens do without having to eat a lot of greens every day. And most people don't like eating those greens.
I don't really know how to say this, but I'm going to try. Live Good Essentials Aminos.
Oh, you got it right.
Oh, yeah!
Okay, what does it do? What does it say on there?
Supportive muscle strength and function, boost stamina and recovery, promote energy and focus.
Right, so that's also a good post-workout. The Super Reds are good pre-workout. Aminos are good post-workout. Along with another product that you're about to pull out.
So next up, we have 2 Live Good Creatine plus HMB.
Right, another good post-workout. It's good to you can mix the aminos and the creatine together as a good post-workout supplement. It's great for muscle health, building that muscle.
All right, next up we have his favorite, delicious organic coffee.
Oh, that's a yummy, yummy, yummy. What's it say underneath it?
It says fiber for weight management, maca and mental clarity, green tea for brain function.
So it's the maca mushroom.
At least it isn't a drug mushroom.
Yeah, it's not that kind of shrooming, dude.
We hate drugs.
All right, what's next?
Next up, we have Factor 4.
Factor 4 is great.
Healthy heart support, supports joint and organ health, promotes immune health, supports healthy circulation.
Another circulation drug. It's also a good anti-inflammatory. If you got inflammation, that's a good product to have.
Gotcha. Next up, we have CBD Pain Relief Cream.
Oh, that's some good stuff. I tried that this morning. Woke up. I got a sciatica problem because I'm a truck driver and I sit for hours at a time, and the muscles in my right leg is atrophied because all I do is press the gas pedal. Muscles in my left leg presses the clutch, and if you're familiar with a big 18-wheeler, those clutches aren't very soft. You got to actually use some effort. So what has happened is the nerve has atrophied also, or shrunk rather, because I sit. I'm not exerting myself like I should be. So I had to wake up at 2 o'clock in the morning because I was in pain. Put that on the affected area, and within 30 minutes I was sleeping like a baby.
Next up, we have Live Good Multivitamin.
There you go. That pretty much says what it is. It's a multivitamin. It's also, these are all natural products.
They are. Next up, we have Ultra Magnesium Complex.
Oh, magnesium complex is great. It helps you with your sleep. Most people are magnesium deficient, so it's good to have that into your diet.
All right, next
health
up
regimen.
we have D3 minus K2. Isn't that like C2 something?
Like R2D2?
Like C squared or whatever?
No. D3 is good for your skin, and the K2 is good for your vision.
Gotcha. Next up, we have 2 methylene blues.
Methylene blue, that's good for focus, brain clarity. Pretty much that says it up. And there you go. Those are
That's
the products I have. We have more products. I just don't have them in my repertoire. There's other CBD. There's pet CBD, and there's a few other products I don't have. There's anti-aging products and a few other things. I'm not sure. Oh, shut up. I look good. Mm-hmm. So that's pretty much it. The site where you can get this is shop.thebosslesslife.com. If you want to get the member discount, I mean, these are discounted as it is, because of how our system works, up to 90% off of retail, as you can see on the screen back there. They're high quality products.
They are.
And you can get them at even more of a discount if you are a member.
Oh.
The membership for this club is only $9.95 a month, and you get these at the same cost that I pay for them.
That's pretty cheap.
It is pretty cheap. I mean, you can't get a Sam's Club membership for less than that. I think that's like 30%.
I can pay for that.
Exactly. You got your own site too.
Oh, wow. For real?
Yeah, for real. I set you up with your own site.
That's so cool.
So you have your own site, so you can order when you're at home. You want to order your own products, you can order them, or just let me know. I'll order them for you.
All right. Thanks, man.
So from there, check it out.
What? Bye-bye, guys.